everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Omar and I love making video. In today's video I will show you how to get 1000 followers in TikTok just in 1 hour. But you have to follow these 3 rules to get 1000 followers in TikTok in just 1 hour. First, I have to tell you about my relationship with TikTok. I was working with an online company for 5 months. My job was outreach with TikToker, means I have to search for TikToker, have more than 100,000 followers and send them our product, and for exchange they make video for us. And after spending a lot of hours in this app, TikTok, I get with a lot of genius idea, strategy that I will show you now. But first guys, if you don't subscribe, please go and subscribe, okay? I'm waiting for you. No. Thank you. Now we will start. Let's go. First step guys, you must create as much videos as you can every day. That's the most important thing. First you have to create a lot of videos, so your video everywhere. You must do it. Videos have been viral before. That will help you get a lot of views and followers, and that's what exactly I did, and I will show you now. Like you see guys, in my videos I did a lot of duets, and look at this video, get 21,000 views and get me a lot of followers. So you have to do it guys. Step number 2 guys, it will be great idea if you use popular song or sound, and it's okay if you use all the clip of yourself. It's fine, because you don't know which video will go viral. It's really crazy in TikTok. Step number 3 guys, and it's the most important step in this all video. You have to be yourself, you know, like don't copy anyone, just be yourself and just make video every day. And you don't know guys when your video will go viral, but it's so easy. I guarantee you that you will be viral in just 2 days, just when you upload a lot of video. And like you see now, we are in the end of the video. I will show you, I get in just 1 hour, like you see, 800 followers. It's near to 1000, but I did it in just 1 hour. Imagine if I keep doing this all day, all night. Following these 3 steps, it's so easy. Anyone can do it, and you can do it, and you can get more than 1000 followers. And comment down below your username so I follow you in TikTok and you follow me back. And be active bro, just be active in TikTok. That's the only thing. Create video every day, have fun. Thank you so much for watching guys. If you don't subscribe, please subscribe and comment below your TikTok, and see you tomorrow in another video. Peace. Sorry, action. Step number 3, it's the most important step guys. Be yourself, like me, look at me. Okay.